Supervised and unsupervised learning are two fundamental approaches to tackling different types of NLP problems. Which you'll use will depend on the data that you have and the questions that you're trying to answer. The sections in this course will go through both supervised and unsupervised machine learning solutions for NLP. So before we do this, let's make sure we understand what we mean by supervised and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning involves training an algorithm to learn the relationship between the input, which would be our text data, and an output that we also provide. Say, for example, you have a data set of reviews. You have the review text, and then each reviewer also gives a review score out of 10. You can feed this into a supervised machine learning algorithm that will learn the relationship between the input text and the score to be able to make predictions about the score on new text data. On the other hand, unsupervised learning doesn't need labels. It can find patterns in the data without it. So for example, if you've ever done any clustering before or you've heard of clustering, this is a great example of an unsupervised machine learning technique. Unsupervised learning is great when you have unlabeled data but still want to be able to identify patterns or group similar items together. The choice between the two approaches depends on the availability of labeled data and the specific insights and questions that you're looking to answer. Now that we've got some understanding of what we mean by NLP and some of the techniques and approaches used, let's get started and put this into practice.